Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Synchrony Bank how to cancel credit card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you're looking for a way to cancel your Synchrony Bank credit card, then what you need to do is simply head over to your browser, then on the search bar type in cancel Synchrony card, then simply tap on the Synchrony credit cards and apps and more. There you'll find an option that says cancel by phone, on which you can call the number 1-877-295-2080, which is the general cardholder support line. Verify your identity with your account number and possibly your social security number, then let the representative know what you permanently want to cancel or close your card account, and if there's any remaining balance, you still be required to make monthly payments until it's fully paid. You may lose any unredeemed cashback or rewards associated with the card. Be sure to redeem them first as well. And next option is cancelling by mail by sending a return cancellation request on the details Synchrony Bank, PO Box number 71734, Philadelphia, PA 191761734. Include your full card details and clear statement that you want the card account closed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.